In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So open the Discord app and then in the bottom of the screen or the app, find the user settings near your nickname and avatar. So click on it and then go to your account. Here on the account page, scroll down to find the enable two-factor auth. So all we need is just to click on it and then enter our current password. So input it and then just click on continue. So after that, as you can see, all we need is just to download the necessary app, which is right up here. So I already downloaded it. So all I need is just to open it right up now on my telephone. And after that, in the right bottom corner on my screen in the telephone, just click on plus and then scan the necessary QR code, which is described into the second step. So now I just successfully scanned it, and my Discord was easily added to this app. And now all I need is just to input the 6 numbers like 591608 and then just click on activate. So these digits were sent me via this app. So as you can see, now I successfully activated my 2FA authentication. So it makes my account more defended by some attacks. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.